Where are they? You see the monkey? Yeah, there's the monkeys. There they are. Yeah, big monkeys right there. Kitty, what? What's the kitty say? Roar. That's a roar. That's a lion. Big kitty. Roar. Oh yeah. Look at all the clowns. Funny looking clowns. Oh, you like to go back. Yeah, you like to go the other way, don't you? Oh yeah. Where's the bird? There it is. Bird. Oh, big boat. Yeah, there's the birds. Yeah? Yeah. Boy, there's lots on this page. No, I think that's the last page. You gotta go the other way. Let's go this way. Go this way. No? You don't want to go? Look at the mousey. The mouse is in the hole. Where's the monkeys? Where? Yeah, there they are. That's the monkeys. Yeah. Yeah, that's the monkeys. Where's the kitty? Where's the kitty? Where is he? Yeah, there he is. That's the kitty. The kitty will go roar. Elephant. That's a big old elephant. Oh, big elephant. You always want to go back that way. Big boat. Oh, where's the kitty? It's on the other page. Gotta turn the page. There's the kitty. Yeah, now you know where the kitty is. Yeah. Where's the bird? Show me the birdie. Can you show me the birdie? Where's the bird? Where? You show me the bird. Is that the bird? Where's the bird? Up here. Bird. Birdie. Oh. I don't think that's a page.
Are you reading a book with Grandpa?
Yeah, we're reading. Reading a book.
That's a little people book.
Yeah, it's a nice book.
People. Little people. There isn't another page there to turn.
Can I go? Oh. Let's go this way. No, let's go this way. No, let's go this way.
Are you teasing Grandpa?
Let's go this way. And then we'll go this way. We never made it to the back of the book. I want to see what's in the back of the book. We haven't made it all the way back there.